Hello everyone. Tea and coffee are an important part of any guest meal experience. It is extremely important to get the service of this part of a meal correct as it's one of the final interactions other than payment of bill that the waiter has with their guest. The sale of tea and coffee are also very important for the bottom line financials. The drinks are relatively inexpensive to produce, however, they can add substantially to the restaurant's profits. This video we will look at the various types of coffee and its service procedures. First, we start with varieties of coffee. In this, we are going to learn about the top 10 varieties of coffee. First is espresso and types. As you can see in the picture, Ristretto, Espresso and Lungo are the varieties of espresso. Ristretto is very concentrated coffee. It is served only 20 ml per servings. This is the first picture as you see here. Second one is espresso is less concentrated than Ristretto. Normally served as single which is 30 ml and double is 60 ml. While taking order for espresso, we have to ensure that the guest wants single or double shot. The next one is Lungo. It is less concentrated than espresso. Normally, it prepares with 30 ml of espresso and 30 ml of hot water mixture. Those who want a diluted version of espresso can order for this. Next is Americano. It is also known as Cafe Americano or black coffee. It is a type of coffee drink prepared by diluting an espresso with hot water, giving it a similar strength to but different flavor from traditionally brewed coffee. The strength of an Americano varies with the number of shots of espresso and the amount of water added. Next we'll see about cappuccino. It is the most popular variety of coffee around the globe. It is an espresso based drink originated from Italy. As you can see in the picture, traditional cappuccino approximately served between 150 to 180 ml and it consists of a shot of espresso which is 30 ml. In some organization they are serving 60 ml of espresso and equal amount of milk and milk foam and garnish with cocoa powder or chocolate chips. In Italy, it is served only for breakfast. Next one is cafe latte. It is the French word which means coffee with milk. Cafe which means coffee and latte which means milk. It is also an espresso based coffee. A tall, mild milk coffee about 150 to 200 ml. A single shot of espresso with steamed milk and only a little milk foam poured over top. It is served in a latte glass or a coffee cup. Flavored syrup can be added as an optional. Next one is cafe mocha. It is also known as mochaccino. It is a chocolate flavored variant of a cafe latte. Same as cafe latte, a single shot of espresso with steamed milk and only a little milk foam poured over it. And additionally, chocolate syrup are also added in it. Some organization served this mochaccino in a glass to show the different layer and for attraction also. Next is cafe macchiato. It is another espresso based coffee made with by pouring a small amount of steamed milk foam directly into a single shot of espresso. It is also served in an espresso cup. Next we'll see about Irish coffee. Sometimes it is called as a cocktail. As you can see in the picture, it consists of hot coffee, Irish whiskey, topped with whipped cream and garnished with chocolate chips. It has to drink through the cream. Normally brown sugar added for taste. It depends upon the guest preference. They can add as much as they want. These are some of the most popular varieties of coffee around the globe. Next, we move on to the service part of the coffee. Before serving coffee, we should make sure some of the important points. Here are they. Coffee should be served at temperature and right cup. If you are not choose the right cup, the coffee will get cold as soon as possible. Before making coffee, make sure the cup has to rinse with hot water to make the cup warm. If not, the cup absorbs the heat of the coffee and the coffee gets cold very soon. Always tea and coffees are served from the right hand side because it comes under beverage category. And next one, always serve with cookies because it's an accompaniment for tea and coffee. Next, move on to the equipment needed for coffee service. Take a clean salver, sugar sachet holder. It should be filled with normal sugar, brown sugar, and sugar free. Then, coffee cup and saucer with coffee spoon. Cookies platter. These are all the equipments we need for coffee service. Now we will see the procedure for serving coffee. As we see earlier, it should be served from the right hand side of the guest. First thing, we have to place the sugar bowl at the center of the table. Then followed by the accompaniment, which is the cookie platter has to be placed on the table. Then the coffee cup should be present to the guest. While placing the coffee cup, we should make sure the handle should be at the right hand side of the guest and the spoon at the top of the cup, and we should announce the name of the drink. For example, excuse me sir, this is your espresso. Enjoy your coffee. Sir, I'm ma'am. Hope you enjoy this video, and that's it about the types and service of coffee. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.